have the 900 frequencies. If you look at the frequency range that is written there is 690 to 960 for the 900. It means that this antenna can take frequency range of from 690 to 960 megahertz. So if they give you a RIU of 800 megahertz, where do you connect it? RIU of 800 megahertz. Where? Because the frequency lies in between. If they give you 900 megahertz RIU, where do you connect it? If they give you 700 megahertz RIU, where do you connect it? Because the frequency lies in between that frequency. And if you can look at it, you see plus minus, positive, negative. Each of the ports has positive and negative. Likewise, under all our RIUs, you see positive A and B. You can see port A, port B. It means port A is positive, port B is negative. We understand. So that is it about the antenna ports. And you now look at this other part. You see 1695 to 2690. It means that all these ports can take from 1795 frequency to 2690 frequency. So if I have 1800 RIU, where do I connect? Any of these. If I have 2100 RIU, where do I connect? Any of these. If I have 2600 RIU, where do I connect? Any of these. So please don't go and connect the 2600 RIU on the 900 ports. You will have an alarm. If you do something like that, there will be an alarm. And don't go and connect the 2100 RIU on the 900 ports. Okay. Do we understand? Yes. Please, let's pay attention to that. It's very important that we note it. I think, and on the design, most time the project will, on the WSD design, the, what do you people call it?
Solution.
The solution. The side solution they give to you. Pay attention to the left and right. They may tell you to connect the 1900 on the Y1. Okay, this one doesn't have Y1. They may say, okay, this one has this one has Y1, Y4. They may tell you to connect on the Y1 right hand side. Make sure you connect it on the Y1 under the antenna port. These are part of the quality aspect of the work. Because project telling you to connect on Y1 or on Y2, they have ratings. Each of these guys have their independent beams inside this antenna. And it's the way we do design, on the site design. I want to digress a bit. I did not teach you guys this in class. When on the design, is designed in such a way that sector 1 of this very site might be supposed to communicate on sector 2 or on sector 1 of another site. And if they design Y1 to communicate with Y1 of another site, and you went and put on Y2, you have caused an issue for yourself.
Interruption.
It will not bring any alarm because the back office guy will not see the alarm. Will not see any alarm. It's the DT guys who will see it. But if you're intelligent enough, you notice it on the WDT. The WDT will tell you that this your jumper connection is wrong. If you're wise enough to. go and check. If you're not wise enough to check, you leave it and go. When they drive, maybe you have left the site after 2 weeks, the drive test team now come to the site to come and do drive test. They will now notice that what they are receiving here is the Y2, and they are seeing Y1 from the other, so it will not come. They will call you back to come and change it. If you like, you'll be in Lagos and the site is in Maiduguri, you have to go back to Maiduguri to work, and nobody is paying you for that. So always pay attention very well to whatever is given to you to do on site. Don't do otherwise. Don't do your own. Do what you have on the solution. Do what the project wants you to do. That is very simple. So that is it. So